mizzen back up the mizzen mast, and I inherited an easy slide track. Easy slide track looks like this. There's a plate that goes on the bottom of it once all the sails are up, all the slides are up, and it goes up the mast. It's supposed to slide easy, but mine has become sticky and the mast doesn't slide, or the sail doesn't slide up and down like it's supposed to. My solution is silicone paste. Bought this big bottle, it lubes everything, and I'm going to put some of this on each of the slide tracks as they go up. So my easy slide track has a stainless steel foot. Each one of the slides has a little stainless steel foot. It's supposed to go up and down quite easy, but I guess all tracks are plastic and they get jammed up. So I'm going to use the silicone paste and just glob a little bit on each one until it looks like it's sliding slick, and then we'll get them all up there. This silicone paste I got cheaper than buying it at West Marine in little gray tubs, or Home Depot in little gray tubs, is a big old bottle with a little wand on it. So I'm just going to slime some of it on here, get that lubed up. Because of the direction of the wind, I'm going up on the opposite side of the mast from where we are. I'll get that head up there. There you go. First slide on. It was a little bit difficult. It's a little bit longer than the rest of them. The sail is a little bit twisted because I've had it down in the cabin and out on the dock. So I'm going to try and get the foot loaded and then raise the rest of the sail. Foot slides are a little bit different. Ours are like a bracket that clips onto the track. The track being that assembly. And I'm also going to lubricate them a little bit. So hopefully you can see this as I put these up. We're going to keep going with this till we get it all the way across. So I have all the sail slides for the foot on because we have a mounted foot. And then the tack of the sail mounts to a bracket here with a clip. Wrong way. This rolls. And a cotter pin. So the cotter pin goes in the hole, goes through the other hole, and then because I'm short, I'm going to stand up here. I dropped one of these earlier. The cotter pin ring has a spot that it's steady metal, but you have to be able to get it into the hole and then twist it around. The one I dropped earlier went bloop, bloop, bloop into the water. This is not a very forgiving position. I'll get that into the hole and twist it. I'm gonna hold the sail so it doesn't keep messing with me. Oops. I was able to get it in by twisting it apart. If you can see this, the split ring is in there, the D ring is intact, this is in there so it's solid. The next thing we're going to do is attach the clue to the aft of the mast so we can get some tension on it when we're doing this. So getting the sail slides from the foot off took a little convincing. This is pulled back tight, this is pulled back tight, but there seems to be some flaw in the track here, or a flaw in the foot piece, and this one doesn't look good. So, oh, there it slid. That one slid. That one slid. That one slid. Leave that tied off for now. I'm going to raise the rest of the sail dog slides up the main, and we'll see how that works. Looper here for y'all. The sail is twisted on the mast, so because I've got the foot already on and secure, I'm going to drop the mizzen and realign it. So, thank goodness for lube. Booyah, booyah, booyah. I just don't want to lose my halyard. Locking device goes on here. Full lined up. Pin to go in. Boom, 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 boom. Yes. I have the mizzen on. It's flagging a little bit up there. Hopefully, I can drop it a little bit more down below the spreader, and then I'm going to put the stack pack on before I have all this pile of sail in there. Let's see how that works. So I have my mizzen stack all folded up. I did the boot for the front of it and covered it with Dacron on the inside to prevent chafe on the mast. I'm not sure how this is going to unfold or what I'm going to do because I think I have it zipped closed and the sail is up. So I'm going to have to put it on upside down. So I'm going to have to unzip it and start at the stern. This is going to be fun. I'm going to come up from underneath. I have the little straps that fit underneath here, and I've got the port side on the port, starboard side on the starboard, and I'm just going to stick my hand up here, get this over there, get it through, and twist it underneath the sail. I'm going to work my way back and get these all connected underneath the sail tack, or the sail foot. The reason that I took the pack off after I had it done was to add this mast boot front, and it goes around the front of the boom. So I have my sail up there, and I'm going to go ahead and try and zip it on the side. So this is like a dry run of the fitting. It fit in the galley or in the cabin when I was working on it, but I haven't put it on the mast yet. You should have your slide lock at the top. The slide lock set so it goes in, just like your jacket, sweater. That fit on. I'm going to hold it up, get this up, get it zipped. Oh yeah. And zip it. Woo! Alright. So now, if I can get the sail to fit all the way in there, I can do this. But I don't have my lazy jacks attached. They're up here. So this is going to be a little bit of a challenge. So I had the stack pack on, sort of. I have to get the lazy jacks fed back through the holes. And as a nurse, hemostats are my best friend. I'm going to poke them through the hole, grab the rope, and pull it out. This should be almost done. So my mizzen pack has a boot front, and it's not perfect because I need longer arms to help me hold it up and tie it up. But I took the sail off, patched the sail, put the sail back on, took the stack pack off, fixed that, and now it just needs help tying the ends. I'm only 5'2". I can't reach all this stuff. If it was me alone, I'd get a ladder, but I have help, so I'm gonna wait. So it's hot, it's breezy. The boys are doing a lot more stuff than I am, but I'm feeling pretty accomplished today because I completed a lot. I took that old mizzen, the old foresail that was given to us, and I think I have a deck shade ready to go. I took the mizzen sail and pack down, repaired the sail. I took the pack and put the sail and the pack back up. I lubricated the track. I've done a lot of little things today. It doesn't seem like a lot, but in the grand scheme of things, it makes the whole boat run better. So, I hate to say I'm just a girl, but I'm an old woman and I'm a girl. So, I keep working at it. I keep trying. Booyah. Our new logo is a yellow, hope I can't do it, bird. The boys do yellow bird. We do Utopia. And Majestic is going to be Majestica. Anyway, we're having fun. We're getting ready. Puerto Rico is still out there. The virus is going to go away. People are going to get well. For God's sake, don't let me see you in the store with underwear on your face. It's ridiculous. Love you. Stay healthy. Breathe in. 10 seconds. Hold it. 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 I didn't count the numbers. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. At least 10 seconds. Anyway, when I'm on the reef, I can dive for a minute and a half. So, breathe in, breathe deep, keep your lungs healthy. Stop smoking right now if you got a chance to stop smoking. Let's do this.